everybody, welcome to Paper Wish's weekly webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm excited to bring you from our friends at Hot Off the Press these 3 new cutting die sets and also something special from Anna Griffith. So I can't wait to show you what we've got, so come play with us. So this first one I want to show you, this is Tag in a Bag cutting dies. It's a 2 cutting die set. The first die makes this adorable little mini bag, and then we've got a perfect 3 1/4 by 5.5 inch tag to go with that. Then we've also got mini folder cutting dies. This is just like those little peachies you used to have in school, but miniature size and perfect for a card. This one has 3 cutting dies. So it has, of course, the folder, and then the left side and the right side pocket. And then the Peekaboo card cutting dies has 2 pieces. These are really fun. There's all kinds of flaps, and it's sort of interactive when your friend is opening their card. And then from Anna Griffith, we've got corner pockets and embellishments, and this has 212 decorative die cuts inside this great little package here. It also comes with the little foam, 3D foam pad squares, which is great. I don't even know how many are on that. But these are all die cut flower shapes. They're beautiful, and I've used many of them on the projects today. And lots and lots and lots of sheets here, more here, and even has, I think I missed them, even has several sheets of little greetings and sentiments. Where are they? Greeting. There we are. Okay, well, there's one of them. The rest of them are hidden in there somewhere, but they're beautiful, and they have foil details on them. So you have these little flags and these banners as well. All right, let's get right to the projects, you guys. So let's see, let's start with the mini folder. So here's this little cute little mini folder, and we're gonna open the tie. It's all about presentation. And then inside, I put tags from the Tag in a Bag. Got these little happy birthday tags. You can write a sentiment on the back of them. There you go, celebrating you. And the cutouts, they all come in, this is the paper pack that I'm using, is Country Blooms paper pack from Hot Off the Press, and it is beautiful, and it has all this artwork with it. I also used these adorable little salmon pixie petals because the orange is just the perfect shade. And then right here we've got, these are Tangerine Country Blooms from 49 Market, and these are Twilight. They're kind of a periwinkle color, really beautiful, and then just some little sparklets right there to go with that. And then this other one, beautiful. This particular one is from Vintage Roses. It's new from Hot Off the Press, and the roses on the front here are using, gosh, ginger. That's right, ginger flowers, and these are little parchment pixie petals, little brown ribbon. I did use one of the little die cut banners here. You open that up, and then we've got our little tags again. And the little cutouts are included with the Vintage Roses 12 by 12 paper pack. All right. And let's just go ahead and do the Tag in a Bag. So for this one right here, I used the little Anna Griffith die cuts, the little Bravo, and then on the inside of our tag, add a little gift card right there. That cute? And added these little ribbon touches. I just cut my bag out of white cardstock, and then I'll show you a little bit later how I went ahead and just made little inserts here by cutting it again from pink, and then I just cut them down. All right, so here's another one. This one at times I use craft cardstock, so it looks like a real little paper bag, and then added a little white tag to that, put a little cluster of flowers here. This particular one is Blush, and just a great little collection, and added some little sparklets there as well. And then this little Dazzle greeting, happy birthday. And then you can also take these and just put them right on the front of a card. So there's a little thing here, it's like another little greeting. and then you have the whole inside of your card to write your own message on. Adding a little bit more of those flowers there, just the perfect thing. And then the background paper that I used on this one was Denim Bouquet. Another thought, take the little tag alone and make a cute little tag book. This is from this particular paper, as well as this one is Lace and Roses paper pack from Hot Off the Press. As you can see, I used a little bit of the foam pads right there. This little greeting comes with the paper pack, and just little photos all the way through. And then of course you've got you turn the book over, you've got the back of all of them that you could decorate too. And how fun to send this to my daughter's great-grandma. Would love to get this. Right, and I forgot to show you, I was just speeding through these so fast that I forgot to show you the dies themselves. So this one is from the mini folder. Okay, so I've also cut the pieces out here for you to see. So this is the base piece right here. This is the folder part. And then here you've got the pieces that are the left and the right side little folder pockets. So you're just going to fold those in right along the score lines. And then you're just going to put some glue right here. This is just Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue. You fold those in and then those right on the corners of the folders. Okay, and that just leaves you your pocket open. And this one is done the exact same way for the opposite side. Just like that. Very easy and fun to do. And these all of these dies today fit through a excuse me, a 6-inch wide platform opening for your die cutting machine. So like the Brother and the Gemini Junior. Okay, and here are the ones for the tag in a bag. So here's the bag piece. Cut this out of white cardstock. You can't really see the score lines very well, but they are there. Just fold along the score lines. Okay, and then this bottom piece is going to get folded first. And then you've got this piece, and then you've got this piece. And you can fold that this way or this way. It doesn't really matter either direction. So put a little line of glue on one side, fold it down like that, and then you've got your die cut tag that fits right inside. All right, sorry about that, I forgot all about it. All right, so now I'm going to show you the peekaboo. So for this one, I used Country Chic paper pack from Hot Off the Press. You can see they added the greeting there. Has a little bow closure on it. Open that right up. And it's got a flap here, a flap here. This is another great place you could put a gift card here. And you open this up and you have this spot here. So isn't that fun? It's just kind of a surprise. Keeps going. And then here's another one. I love the bow closures. This particular one is Abundant Florals paper pack. Great little die cut greetings. There we go. And here we go. Let me show you how to put this together. So the peekaboo has these pockets right here. Now, you can make your peekaboo go this way, or it can go this way. Okay, so you're still going to make it in the same way, the same manner, but you could open it so that the greetings go this way and somebody opens the flaps this way. I just like to do it horizontally. All right, so we're going to fold at the score lines. All right, and then we've got our flap. Now we only needed one die for this flap. Okay, because it's the same on both sides. There's no left, there's no right. All right, so with this, we want to glue all the flaps on the inside of the card, because if we glued them on the back like this, then they're going to be shown from the back. So I like to glue on the inside, and then I'll put a piece of paper on this inside portion, and that'll cover that all up. Whoa! There we go. So I'm just aligning with those edges there between the top and the bottom fold line. So you want to make sure that this is able to close. All right. So what I did then is to make all of these little inset pieces. So this one I covered everything. I just took one strip of paper and I just covered the whole thing like this. But you can also just make little panels. So I'm going to show you how I did my panels. So I went ahead and I die cut this piece out of paper. It's like that. And then I just cut them apart at the score lines. And then you can cut just little pieces away from this to make them just a little bit smaller. All right, so this piece right here will fit right inside here because I cut away a little bit here. Oh, I should mention, let me go back. I'm just running ahead. So here we go. These are all the pieces that I cut away. So first, when you've die cut this piece, just use your cutting platform and just go ahead and cut about 1/8 of an inch off of each side. There we go. And then I just cut about 1/2 inch from each piece right here and right here. And that's all you need. So now you're down with these pieces that are just a little bit smaller. And they'll fit here and here, and especially here to cover up those flaps. Okay? So you can also do the exact same thing on the opposite side, and you can put paper here on those flaps and on the front too. Okay, so that just makes it a little easier when you're putting everything together. All right, you guys, so we have a great money saver on these, and I would encourage you to check this out. And if you're watching us on our Webisode page, then you would just need to look on the right-hand side and you'll see the Webisode photo, and you just click on that. And if you're watching us on YouTube, then just look below the video in the description box and click on the link that says Money Saver, and then there's a link below that for paperwishes.com where you'll find lots more videos and lots of fun things to play with. So thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.